What's up, everybody? I'm so excited to show you all this mini split that I got in here. So this is the inverter, Daikin, I believe is how you say it, mini split that we had installed in the basement area. This was just an HVAC, didn't work real well, and so I went with this mini split. Comes with a great remote option, and this is covering at least 2 to 3,000 square feet for me. Here is the outside unit that you can see as well. I need to do a good cleaning of it, but this has been working great for us for a number of years. He